Yinarai assassini airport in my moja nananu shegu edigu on my
London, Ghana for sure more. We be Mafia village. The Mafia never hin. You Mafia village. And never hin. Hey, Ghana for sure more. Oko car samana Ghana for sure more. Sebi. Sebi ne mekan edru saying. Sebi ne mekan edru saying. One kind, my main kind bin kan. Sebi nkuwa bebrebe 10-20 yenu asofo ho aba asem no na yenya nkwasiafo asofo nso a mo nkwasiafo agimifo asofo mintu sebi da yenya nkwasiafo asofo nso so kabi sofo ho aba asem no I was a wotin a chili na bomb man. You have to pray for your colleague pastor. You have to pray for your friend's pastor. Sa semina tono no eradi be yina frim. Na watimi ashe hodin. Te said ye me obinim. Bishop obinim, injiri obinim, kwadwo obinim, maybe to
Melodies TV on YouTube.
No. Na yenya nkwasiafo agimifo asofo akotenatena TV radio so social media kasofo ni gum kabi obebom paya masofo no se urade ma minu asofo yi manintwa so maninye kom maninye din ma minu asofo ni nye sei no ana obe try a pen number ube try a pen number no na wone na kasa no nkwasiafo agimifo asofo nkwasiafo asofo mini obi atem apart from pastors apart from asofo many footballers musicians bloggers enyomtofo politicians mini obi ani asem but nkwasiafo agimifo asofo wunu asofo ho aba asem a ono na ye boni din bone wo Ghana ono na meka say aduru ni so ana menka na say wunu asofo anya problem wanya asem say eye ne fault say nya ne fault say any mistake na osofo a obehwe wunu an number afre no wuni ni number ubetu ka akoho nane na kokasa woni ne kokasa udru ni nchen a eno asem enu asofo wadaworo
Melodies TV on YouTube.
asem ni twaso shehodin enkasa now peace of mind na ye wa sorry heaven ubeko bi ni hia because Christianity based on heaven. Say would you heaven if you believe heaven, if you don't believe heaven, Christianity based on heaven. According to Matthew chapter 6, verse 33 and 34, Christianity based on heaven. So you have to go to your fellow pastor and advise him, my brother, keep quiet, don't talk. Get your peace and do your ministry. Now you are becoming talking, foolish pastors and stupid pastors. Misi mini obi atem pastors the medium atem because e yewu nua na ne ho aba asem e jimifo asofo amaba Ghana ho nkwasiafo asofo amaba Ghana ho na asofo tete TV radio social media e kasa uwa futuo tu nyame nipa uwa futuo tu sofo a uwa futuo if you have advice to give to the pastor uwa futuo masofo a social media ni kutunifo and now person also ujidin uye famous kwasiafo yesem beto to sebi again the church like again the church adwuma we heaven is woni so. Please those understand my language, please forgive me. I know many people don't understand my language, please forgive me. I will speak English to you very soon. I want to talk to my fellow pastors in Ghana or my fellow pastors at Ghana. I want to talk to them. Please forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. I know people don't understand my language. Enkophobia Jimmy too much. Asofo amowo Ghana kra de ebimu. Enye mu nyina ebimu Jimmy dodo. My Jimmy papa. Again the church adwuma wo ye because of heaven. What's proof? What's proof? Sadia wo ye because of heaven you are doing the work of God. You are doing this work of God because of how you get food to eat. You are doing the work of God because of how to get
Melodies
money.
TV on YouTube.
You are doing the work of God because of money. You are not doing the work of God because of you want to win souls for Christ. Because of money. Because of money. Pastor, a man of God. You call yourself as a man of God. You cannot call your friend pastor, colleague pastor to advise him. Please don't talk. Be quiet. Get your peace and do your work. You cannot advise your friend's pastor. You want to advise your friend's pastor on social media. Where? Okay. Asofo amowo Ghana de bi mo Jimmy papa. Na wunu asofo nso akɔhye nkom. Na ufi say enkom nya. Let me talk to you. Wunu asofo akɔhye nkom. Na ufi say enkom hye na wunu asofo ne kɔhye enye. Because IGP has banned to prophesy about, you know it, police penina be banned prophecy. Say more shisha come for one doom and one panic prophecy no munyai. Na ebimu abeshe bimu anshe. Na no yenya asofo bimu tete mu ma asole dem. Yenya asofo bi tete asole dem ne abonten eke kasa. Na ma babonten say identity na man hye nkom no osofo de no wan hye kwabem de IGP be yew mukure yen so ko hye san nkom no so kra mukure ko hye san nkom ka so mu ade bo no mo anka mo miema bloggers fo ne nka listen to me ade bo no anka mo mayema bloggers enka mo mayema presenters enka mo mayema journalists fo nka mo mayema ewiasefo na Bible say ye krata ma wo mo no moma yema wo mo ne redie no monka moma yema obia lo wo Ghana ho anas ansa Ghana enka eni kwase koye ye asofo ye pastors na wo sofo atwe microphone kutaw say IGP she nkom say me ye nye prophecy no adentina mo a mo hye nkom no efa nation no no ahwan adentina mama kamen wuso se bejeliu na obi etima babonten I media nka me nsuro me de radima message a me share no ya jeli me I the one ko hye bi munya asofo me ni asofo me kasa kire ma asole ma but I want to talk to the pastors asofo mo Ghana mo na mugu adwuma na nimu ase munya ejimi sem no asofo mo Ghana munya isa ade no asofo mo Ghana ade na mo yesa
Melodies TV on YouTube.
Me nyasem ni bi o Ghana. Me nya sofo bebre ti mi frɛ me say e ma me nkasa. Be quiet, don't talk, do this. Enye social media na kotu obi fo. Wo hwehwe obi na ma obenya. Ana betuma kɔ na asɔle fie ho. Obi na atwero immo osisen. Obi na atwero Imofia village osɛ de no kɔ na akai me. Me nya ma me sɛ ka meka ho asɛm. Ade na a Christopher amubo Yesu din. You call yourself as a Christian, you call yourself as a believer, you call yourself as a child of God. Na wo so wo ka bi. Anamuni se mugu ni nyina mugu Christianity ni mo ase. Hwe enne mama nkrofo a lot of people are akodi Islamic Muslim ochi. Mama a lot of people akọ follow even idol worship. Different. Ade Aden na wose mo yesa. Oh no. Please stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Aso for mu gu Yesu animu ase too much. Like hey. Oh, this is serious. This is serious. This is serious. This is serious. Eradiam bring it. Hey. Maybe say my topic for today. Eradiam bring it. Obi dawa. Obi ntimi mbriko obi dawo. En eradiam kum obi obi ntimi kum obi. Eradiam fo obi anto foma. Obi ntimi fo obi nto foma. Eradiam say obi a. Obi ntimi say obi o. Aya munkobusa asofo mpanifo no